Hello everyone, it's Simplify Technology. In this tutorial I'll guide you how to use VPN without any software on your Mac. But before we start, please consider subscribe to our channel and liking the video. Let's follow my steps. Head over to vpngate.net and look for a profile that supports LTTP over IPsec. Open System Preferences from the Apple menu and click on Network. Add a new network connection by clicking on the plus icon. Choose VPN as the interface and LTTP over IPsec as the VPN type. Give your connection a name like just VPN. Grab the server address from VPNgate and paste it in the server field. For the account name, simply type VPN and in the authentication settings enter VPN for both the password and shared secret. Click on Advanced, then click Send all traffic over VPN connection. Press OK and apply to save the settings. Now click the VPN status icon in the very top menu bar and hit connect to your Just VPN. If you wanna know how to do this on Windows, you can see this video or this video for iPhone. See you later!